if you are a beginner, you probably need a very simple sewing machine just to learn how to sew. Usually home sewing machine comes with different stitches. Make sure when you practice stitching to choose 3 and 3 on the length of the stitches. That will help you easily to remove and undo stitches. The best way to practice straight line is to draw on a paper a line and sew it on top. You can also use a serger or a baby locker, how you call it. They usually comes with 3 or 4 threads. You also can practice and see adjustments in the book. This is just an example of the stitch that baby locker is doing. If you are planning to build a business, then I would recommend to buy industrial sew machine, and this is why when you're sewing and planning to work on big dresses, you want to make sure it's comfortable for you to sew. You also gonna need for business an industrial serger. That's the best to work with and faster. It comes with 3, 4 and 5 threads. It also comes with 2 needles that it's comfortable to sew the stretchy fabrics and you do not need to do the top stitch again. This is an example of 4 threads. You can also do 3 threads as well. If you're planning to work with stretchy fabric, swimsuit sewing or any others, then the cover stitch will be the best for you. It comes with 3, 4 and 5 threads, sometimes even 6. This is an example of the cover stitch 2 needle, and this is an example of the 3 needles thread. For the alteration business, it's great also to have a blind stitch sewing machine with a curvy needle. We also use the very thin colored or uncolored thread that is helpful to use for hemming, pants and dresses as well. This is an example of the blind stitch machine. It's visible inside and not visible on outside. Usually we use for dresses and hemming the pants. It's also very easy to remove. You just need to pull one thread and then all stitch is removed easily. I hope this tutorial will help you to choose the right sewing machine for yourself, even you're planning to sew from home or to open a business. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe for more.